Ciao, I'm Valentina Bonatti, founder at Living La Bella Vita and author of the book Powerful Change to Accept to Relight Your Inner Fire. Today, I have a question for you. Are you anticipating or are you reacting? I love driving, except in Melbourne. I always, when I drive, look ahead, not one car but two cars in front of me, to understand what's going on, to see what are the options that I can use and implement into my driving to keep my drive smooth and to hopefully not be stuck in traffic. What really annoys me is that when I drive, I see many people that simply react on what's going on in front of them. They react on what the car in front of them does. So if the car speeds, they speed. If it slow down, they slow down as well. They not allow themselves to receive options into their driving. And that's what's happened for 90% of the population. They're not in control of their life. They're simply reacting on what TV, society, family, friends tells them to do or to think, or would be the best job for them or stuff like that. So I'm asking you, which one are you? Are you an anticipating person or are you a reacting person? If you are reacting, what's it really stopping you from becoming an anticipation person? What is stopping you to be in control of your own life? Maybe it's a fear of making the choices. Maybe it's the fear of, not being liked from everybody else. Maybe it's the fear of being judged. Whatever it is, we're here at Living La Bella Vita to help you to find out what you can do to become an action taker, what you can do to become that anticipating person that really will help you to be in control of your own life and achieve the goals that you're looking forward. So, if you're curious to know what is stopping you from becoming a reacting person to an action taker, fill out the details the form below, and book yourself for a free discovery session. But do it quick, because at Living La Bella Vita we're very busy and we only have time to speak with 3 of you that really want to make things happen, really want to become in control of their life, their career, their business, their relationship. So get in quick, fill out the details, fill out the form with the details below, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Valentina Bonatti from Living La Bella Vita, and ciao for now.